Here are the websites where you can get paid by reading. First is we have Get Paid to Read, where they pay you $200 for you to read books, online contents, or emails. Ang maganda pa dyan, you can choose what to read. No experience required. You can work from anywhere in the world. And withdrawals, guys, marireceive nyo sa inyong bank account or PayPal account directly. Ito yung mga hinihingi nila sa inyong information, your country, yung internet connection ninyo, and kung anong device yung ginagamit nyo sa pagbabasa ng mga e-books. They're also gonna ask kung how many hours a week ka available for you to read. Ito yung mga information din na hinihingi nila, such as your name, your email, and your telephone number. Then once everything's okay, you can just tap on Submit Form. Another company that we're going to talk about is Book Browse. Here, magbabasa ka ng book and then gagawan mo siya ng personal review ninyo. Pero guys, just to let you know that they have the policy na do not plagiarize and do not use AI softwares like ChatGPT. Kumbaga, based on your opinion talaga yung reviews nyo, kung ano yung point of view nyo dun sa story na binasa ninyo. Sa website, makikita nyo na agad yung kanilang reviewer application. Here are the details na hinihingi. And then you have to answer some essays. Kumbaga, ito na yung pinaka-interview nila sa inyo. And then once everything's okay, pag nakapasa ka, i-reach out ka nila sa inyong email address. Make sure to follow or subscribe sa aking YouTube channel for more online earning contents. Bye!